Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 7 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about insert record using Ajax. So let's see how we can insert or add record into database table using Ajax. So first of all, let's create model, migration and controller. Okay, so switch to the command prompt and here let's create the model. So right here, PHP artisan make model and model name, let's say model name is as student. Okay, also create the migration, so right here dash m. Now press enter. Now create the controller, so right here php artisan make colon controller, the space controller name, let's say controller name is student controller. All right, now press enter. Now switch to the project and just go inside the database directory, then migration, and just open this get a student table migration, and here add some column. So just write here dollar table as string and column name, let's say column name is first name. All right, another column table a string and last name. All right, table a string email and table a string phone. Okay, all right, now save this file and copy this table name, and now just go to the student model. So just open app directory, then http. No, here you can see here the student model. Okay, now just open it and here just add the table name. So right here protected dollar table is equal to students. All right, also add the fillable column, so right here protected dollar fillable is equal to create an array here and add the column name, first name, last name, email and phone. All right, now save this file and now let's migrate this migration. So switch to the command prompt and here just type php artisan migrate. All right, now press enter. Table migrated, so let's check. Switch to the browser and just open php myadmin, and this is the database. Now refresh the database and you can see here the students table. Okay, now click on browse and this is the table columns. Okay, now go to the controller, so just go inside the http app http, then controllers, and just open a student controller. Okay, and here add a function, so just write here public function and function name, let's say function name is index, and here just first of all add the model here, so just write here use app slash model student. Okay, and now dollar students is equal to a student order by descending and get. Okay, and simply return here a view student and compact, and just add this variable name student. Alright, now save this file. Now add the route. So just go to the web.php file inside the routes directory. Just open it, and here just add the route get uh, students student controller at the rate function name, which is index. Okay, now add the name here student dot index. All right, now let's create this view. So just copy this name and go inside the views directory. Just open resources, then views, and here just create a new file student.blade.php. All right, now here add the HTML5 boilerplate. So just type here exclamation sign and press tab. All right, now change the title to students. Okay, and now add the jQuery CDN. So in Google, uh, search here jQuery CDN. Okay, now just open first link, click on minified, just copy and paste here. All right, now add the Bootstrap CDN. So just go to the get bootstrap.com, click on get started. Now copy the CSS and paste here. Now copy the JS CDN, and after jQuery just paste here. All right, now remove this slim.mean.js CDN. So just remove this line. All right, now inside this body just add the table. So here just write create a container. All right, then row, column, MD12. All right, and here just add the card. Okay, so just write here card, then card header, and add the title. It says student, and card body and inside this just add here the table. Okay, so just write here table, set the id, let's say student table. All right, class table. Okay, then just add here the t head, tr, th, and add here the first name, last name, email, and last one phone. All right, now add the t body, and here first of all add the for each, so just write here for each and dollar students age dollar student. Okay, and inside this tr, td, and inside the double curly bracket just write here student dot student arrow first name. All right, now copy this, change here the student arrow last name. All right, then email, and here phone. Okay, now save this file. Now let's check this view. So switch to the browser, and here first of all run the application. So just write here php artisan serve. Now it's running. So just refresh the page. Now go to the students route, enter. All right, column not found. So let's check. Just go inside the student controller, and here okay, add here the column name. So just write here the id comma this. Okay, now save this file, and now rerun. So refresh the page. Okay, now it's showing this table. All right, now switch to the project, and inside the blade file, the student.blade.php file, here uh, just add the button. Okay, for creating new record, inserting the new student record. Okay, so just write here button, or simply write here button type is equal to button class btn primary. All right, and here just add the text add new. Okay, now save this file and refresh. You can see here the button. All right, now let's add the model. Okay, Bootstrap 4 model. So inside get bootstrap.com, just search here model. Alright, now press enter, and from here just copy this model. So just copy and paste here. Okay, now change the ID. Let's say ID is a student model. Okay, so just write here a student model. Now copy this ID and paste here, and data toggle and data target, just cut this and paste inside this button. Alright, now remove this button, and here is the title, add new student. Okay, and inside this body just add the form here. Okay, so just write here, and also remove this footer. Okay, now add here the form, so just write here form, and set the ID as student form. Alright, now add the input field, so write here form group, and inside this form group just add here the first name, input text, so just write here label for first name, and write here first name. Okay, input type is equal to text, name first name, and class form control, form dash control. Alright, now copy this and paste here for the last name, phone, email and phone. Okay, write here the last name, email, alright, and here phone. Now add the submit button, so here just write here button type is equal to submit, class btn dash success. Alright, and add here the text submit. Okay, and inside this form just add here the csrf, so just write here @csrf. Now let's check this model, so switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Now click on add new, and you can see here this model. Okay, name, last name, email and phone number, and submit button. Alright, now inside this blade file just add here the script tag, and inside this script tag dollar this form, the student form, and here just call the event submit. Inside this submit function, callback function, add here the callback function, and pass the parameter e dot prevent default. Okay, where first name is equal to dollar input, inside this double quote, input, and name is equal to first name. All right, dot val. Now copy this line and this one, last name. So change here the text, last name, then email, and here phone, and this is for token, underscore token. All right, now add the Ajax method here. So just write here dollar dot Ajax, and inside this add here the URL and type is equal to post, type colon. All right, post, and data, inside this data just pass dig. Okay, so just write here first name colon first name, last name, last name. All right, then email, email, phone, phone, and last one token, underscore token. Okay, and here it's success, then function response, and here simply print the response. So just write here console.log response. Okay, now go to the controller, the student controller, and here just create another function, public function, and let's say function name is add student. Okay, and also pass here the parameter request dollar request, this argument. Okay, and here dollar student is equal to new student, dollar student first name is equal to dollar request arrow first name. All right, not the students, only student. All right, this variable. Now copy this line and here last name, last name message for email and phone. All right, now student arrow same. Okay, and simply return response JSN, and inside this just pass here this a student object. All right, now save this file. Now create this the route for this function. So go to the web.php file, and here just add new route post, and URI, add student, controller name student, controller at the rate function add a student. Okay, also add here the name student dot add. All right, now add this route name to the blade file. So go inside the blade file, and here just add the URL. So just write here double curly bracket route, and just paste here the student dot add. All right, now all done. So save the file, and let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. All right, now visible the make visible the console. Okay, now click on add new, add here the name. Let's say Peter John, email pjohn @gmail.com, and phone number, let's say this one. All right, now click on submit. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let's check. To switch to the student.blade.php file, and here, okay, add here the hash sign, because I am just using the form ID. So just write here the hash sign. Save this file and try one more time. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, now click on add new, add the name, first name, last name, email, phone number. Now click on submit. All right, just close this model and refresh the page. Okay, record inserted, but result not showing here on console. So let's check inside this success response. Okay, spelling mistake here. So just write here response and response. All right, now save this file and try one more time. So just refresh the page, and now click on add new, name, uh, doc with right. Okay, now enter the first name. Let's say Peter, John at the rate of gmail.com. Phone number. Now click on submit. Okay, you can see here the response. First name, ID, last name, phone, and this. Okay, and if I click on and refresh the page, you can see here the inserted record. Okay, now here just update record into the table. So for that, just write here dollar has table ID, which is uh, student table. Okay, so just copy this ID and just paste here. All right, space tbody dot append. Okay, and just append a row. So just write here tr and add here for td. Okay, first, last, email, and phone number. So just write here td td 1 2 and 3 one more td. All right, now add here the name. So just write this first name, last name, email, and last one phone. All right, and also the close the model. So just write here model id, which is a student model dot this. Okay, and for resetting the form, so for that just write here form id as student. Spelling mistake here, student. Okay, student, a student form. Okay, and 0 dot reset. All right, now save this file. Now let's check it. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Now click on add new. Now enter the first name. Let's say Sophia, uh, Zane, email ID Sophia Zane at the rate gmail.com, and phone number like this. Okay, now click on submit, and you can see here the new inserted record. Okay, one thing, just a new record insert on the top. Okay, so for that, just add here prepaint. Okay, this one. Okay, prepaint. Now save this file and insert one more record. So just refresh the page. Now click on add new and enter the first name. Let's say Ema Aliva, and email @gmail.com, and phone number this one. All right. Now click on submit. Now you can see the new record on top. All right. So in this way you can insert record into database table using Ajax. So that's all about insert record using Ajax. So thanks for watching this video. And if you will still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.